Hello friends, I'm Asha Bilgi. I've been coaching this bank PO. I would really like to help you regarding sentence completion today. This question, as it is out of the SBI PO prelims, and I'm reading the direction. In each of the following sentences, parts of the sentence are left blank. Beneath each sentence, 5 different ways of completing the sentence are indicated. Choose the best alternative among the given options. Here I am reading the question. Tropical rain forests choked in fog and continuously dashed by mist and downpours are least dashed by fires. The options I'm reading: rejuvenate, impact, option A; option B, exhausted, overwhelmed; option C, drenched, affected; option D, approach, influence; option E, devoured, swayed. We are talking of tropical rainforest choked in fog. So with this letter choked, we can easily come to know when we are talking of the letter choked. Choked is like filled with, completely, filled up completely, or drenched. You can say uh, stifled. Stifled. So stifled is filled with, completely filled with. So the first option, I'm writing the options here. The option is rejuvenate. Rejuvenate and impact. Impact. The second one is exhausted. Exhausted and overwhelmed. C is drenched. Drenched and affected. D. The D one is approach and influence. Approach and influence. The E one is devoured, and swayed. Friends, when we are talking of this sentence, tropical rainforest choked in fog. So choked in fog is filled up completely or stifled or completely soaked in something. And they are saying, and continuously dashed by mists and downpours are least dashed by fires. So here continuously something is happening to this tropical rainforest. So continuously rejuvenate, no, rejuvenate is become young, but that is a one time process. So we are not taking this option. Okay. So if we go by the grammar method, then we again we are talking of a past tense here, because choked, you can see that there is an ed and there is a clause, there is a conjunction. And so the rule of conjunctions is the verbs on the sides of the conjunction are always in one tense. So here if it is an ed, here also it is an ed. And so we will take up the ones that are having ed and cross the ones that are not having the ed. So because continuously what? So exhausted and drenched and devoured. So we are taking these three, and now we can start eliminating by looking at the meaning. First, we go into the grammar and take the three options, then go into the meaning and continuously exhausted. Exhausted is a human quality, so this option is not going to be correct. So we are crossing this option. Exhausted is more or less for human beings, not for trees and forests. And so we have crossed this option. Then there is drenched and affected. So drenched is filled up. Filled up. So like there is a word choked, and the next word which is on the other side should be a synonym of choked. So most probably the synonym for the choked is drenched and not exhausted. So if we go by the meaning, drenched it will be suiting here because both are equivalent. Devoured, devoured means eaten up. So this is again not the answer because completely devoured. They are talking of tropical rainforest which cannot be devoured. Devoured means eaten up. Okay. So is equal to eaten. E-A-T-E-N, eaten. So again, this is not the answer. And we have crossed D, we have crossed B, and we have crossed A. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is drenched because it is equivalent to completely filled up, choked, the synonym of choked, okay, filled up. And the next word, the next part of the sentence, and downpours are least what by fire. So least swayed by fire. Swayed is like, swayed is moved, moved. So this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. And so our answer is correct. That is affected. Affected is like impacted. There is an impact. So continuously downpours are least impacted or least affected by fire. So this one is the correct answer. So today we could get this question totally correct by way of process of elimination. I have used two methods here, grammar method and meaning method. And I have demonstrated to you how. So now I think I have answered you the question. Thanks for listening. स्टॉप शेयर किया तो बंद हो गया. वो कहाँ से करने का?